Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Okay. Project title is the user differentiated verified file search on cloud. Okay, this is my abstract. So nowadays the cloud is developing day by day. In this paper, we analyzing the file search problems and using some methodologies to resolve the problems to be identified. So here the security is a crucial part of cloud computing. Here also using the cryptographic methodology. Cryptographic means encrypt and decrypt the data. And now we will discuss about the first one is the user registration. User registration means this is a login for existing users and registering for the new or upcoming users. When the user has registering the details and after the details stored in the cloud server or normal database, and after given the user has assigned username and password for login to the web page, and here every user has assigned the username and password to be a login for the web pages, and username and password both are correct, then only to go for the specific page. The next one is the cryptographic control. Cryptographic means storing and transmit the data to the particular form, and simply said with the cryptographic means encrypt and decrypt the data. So first of all, what is the encryption? That is nothing but to be encrypt the form for security purpose. Here we are using the public or private most key-based components using to be encrypt the data. It's mainly used for the security purpose, and the data is also. And here the next one is the user's authentication. Is nothing but in web pages as single user or multi users, both are to visiting for the pages. So here single user or multi-user both are to be entering for the web pages. The next one is the key code generator. So the key code means first of all the key code is one of the component. It's mainly divided into the sum of the keys. For example, the key code is divided into the public key, secret key, and generating key pairs for etc. The next one is the file search. So the file search means the user has searching for a files is based on some components. The components is maybe a key code, query, public key, or etc. So the user has searching for a file to the database in the so first of all the user has come to the page, enter the username and where is the file location to be searched. Here we will using the file chooser using to be searching for the particular file. The next one is the verification file search. Verification file search means already the user has existing to be searching for a particular file, but the user has choosing the file is verified. How to the file is verified? For example, choosing for one text file, the file has setting for the file size and file type. The file is already the file is existing to the database. It's available or not. The file is existing or not is some checking to the database. This is the verification file result. The next one is the encryption. Already I am said with the encryption means the cryptography is the one of the part is the encryption. The encryption means encrypt and decrypt the data. Encryption means, for example, choosing one text file. Choosing one text file as java.txt is choosing one file. In this file, I'm choosing the text as welcome. This is the text for the encrypting file. Next to after. So here Java file chooser using I'm choosing the file name as java.txt. This is one sample example file. In this file I write the text as welcome and another welcome. So another part, the cloud using security is the crucial part of the cloud computing. So here we have more than one security based components to be used in the cloud computing, and cryptography is the one of the crucial part to the security. So and here the cryptographic means encrypt and decrypt the data. When they come to the encryption part, the file will be security based to be encrypted or hide the details. So the next one is the decrypt. Decrypt means nothing but to be alternate for the encrypting data. We will choosing the decryption. We will come into the decryption part, choosing for the file ds.txt is the encrypted file. While choosing the decrypted, the file will be coming to the old position. So the next one is the user verification. The user verification is nothing but, for example, one user has come into the page for searching a file java.txt. The user has searching to the file will be verified. But the another part with the multi-user come to the web pages, he also some okay, the come to the user verification. Here the single user or multi-user both are visiting to the our web pages in this section. So first of all, the user is choosing a file using the j file chooser, choosing for the one file as java.txt is the file name. So the next one is the user has check or verified the file search. The file is verified or not, the file is already existing the database or not, the file is exist, then only the file is verified to be show the message. So the whole details are to be stored in the database. Coming to the coding part, this is the where login form. So is the login for existing user. So I enter the username and so I enter the username and password, both are correct, then only go for the another page. So it's the registering for the register is the next form. For example, the another or new upcoming users to be registered for the personal detail is the registration form. So this is the personal details using to the registration details. So I here enter the all personal details. The upcoming users for registering this page to register entering to the details, the details are stored in the database. So this is the cloud multi-authority system. So go for the authority login, go for next page. So this is the next one is the key code generation. The key code generation means the key code is one of the component. The key is mainly used for security to the cloud. So security based we are using some public key, private key and secret key components. So here when I click the public key, the key is automatically generated to the particular space. So here also same to the secret key component. When I enter to the secret, press to the secret key, the secret key is automatically generated. The keys are mainly used for security purpose in the cloud. Okay, so go for the next page. The next one is the cryptographic protocol mechanism. The cryptographic means encrypt and decrypt the data or storing and transmitting to the particular page. So here I am using j file chooser. J file chooser using to be searching for a particular record. The record where is in the data. So here j file chooser using I am choosing the record as the encrypt.java. So I am choosing the where is the file location is to be assigned for the particular the file location page. So here I am using two buttons. One is the view and the another is the decrypt. When I am press the button to show the encryption key component. So when I click the decrypt is the go for the next page. The next one is the user details verification. So this is the user detail verification. In this page the existing users or new users to come to the page registering details. Then after registering details, the user has to be searching for the details or verify. User details are verified is are good or not. Okay, then go for the another page. Go for the next page. Here when I am choosing the protocol, let's go for another page. The another one is the record search. The record search is nothing but searching for a particular records. The user is choosing for a particular record. The record is in the database is available or not. So here when using the search button, the record is searching for a database. So here the file chooser using thank you for choosing the file chooser. Okay, let's go for the next page. The next one is the search result. The link is going for the page. So here j file chooser using I am choosing for the particular record. The record is available in the database. So the file path is also So we go to the next form. The next one is the verified file search. The verified file search means the user is searching for a particular record. So always searching record, the record is to be verified for the files. So the verified file search means using for the file types, file size, or and the other file details are to be here. J file chooser, here I'm choosing for the particular records key code. So here the database will be verified the file. The file is available in the database. So here the file is verified. So go for the another page. The next form is the cryptographic protocol mechanism. The cryptographic means encrypt and decrypt the data for storing and transmitting the data for the particular page. Here I am J file chooser choosing for the particular records. The record location is set for the file location place. Here I am using two buttons. One is the encrypt and the other one is the decrypt. Okay, so this is the next form. So I'm enter the details. When I enter the details are to be verified for the particular users. So here I'm using some button. Just go for the next page is the different users file search. So the next one is the data decryption form. Here file chooser I'm choosing one particular file. The file is available in the database. So here also the file. So here the encryption process, I'm choosing one text file. The file will be encrypted. And finally the data is the data decryption form. I'm always to be encrypted the form as clear.txt, and the result is res.txt. The result file is res.txt. This is the encrypted file. Here I am using the decrypt. The text will be decrypted. So here come the message, the file is decrypted. Okay, so here also the path is selected. Okay.